and it's got a step up lip.
What's up, Internet? Jonathan here with another product introduction video for you. Today we're introducing you the private label manufacturing P37 wheel for you truck boys and truck girls out there. This is the wheel for you. Comes in two colors. We got a flat black design right in front of me as well as the bronze. They come in a 6x139.7 bolt pattern. They're typically going to fit your Tacoma, your 4Runner, even your Ford Bronco. 16x8, zero offset. They also come in 17x8.5, -10. Super lightweight. 16-inch wheels coming in at 17 pounds, whereas 17-inch wheels coming in at about 20 pounds. 6-spoke design with a step-up lip with plenty of clearance in the back for your big brake kit upgrades. Get yours today at privatelabelmanufacturing.com. The link will be in the description. And as always, please like, comment, follow all our socials. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course YouTube. I'll see you on the next one.